Beta, this is the last unit of this chapter. This is knowledge about Holocaust. Holocaust basically devastation, the meaning devastation or destruction or disaster. So how did the people come to know about the Holocaust? उस जो आपका practices were used by the Nazis in Germany. So how did it came to the rest of the world? This is all about this. So information about Nazi practices had trickled out of Germany during the last years of regime. धीरे धीरे जो आपकी जो भी practices they were using, gradually it came out of Germany during the last years of their reign. But it was only after the war ended and Germany was defeated that the world came to realize the horrors of what had happened. Okay, लेकिन ये जब it was the time finally the people came to know about the horrors or the destruction which was made by Nazis during Second World War. Uh, when they were defeated in this World War, that time only the people actually came to know about these horrors. While the Germany were preoccupied with their own plight as a defeated nation emerging out of the rubble, the Jews wanted the world to remember the atrocities and sufferings they had endured during the Nazi killing operations, also called Holocaust. एक तरफ जहाँ जर्मनी जो था अपनी उस दुख से, उस पीड़ा से, दुख की जो हार की पीड़ा थी उससे निकलने की कोशिश कर रहा था, उसी ऑन द अदर हैंड ज्यूज़ वांटेड टू रिमेंबर, ज्यूज़ वांटेड टू डिस्क्राइब ऑल द एट्रोसिटीज़ मीन्स their difficulties or sufferings which they lived, which they observed and faced during the Nazi killing operations known as Holocaust. At its height, a ghetto inhabitant had said to another that another Jews he wanted to outlive the war just for half an hour. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द इंसिडेंट इन विच अ घेटो इनहेबिटेंट, मतलब जो मार्क्ड एरियाज थे ज्यूज़ के, वहाँ पे रहने वाला एक जो ज्यू है वो दूसरे या अनडिज़ायरेबल पर्सन है, वो अपने दूसरे अनडिज़ायरेबल पर्सन से बात करते हुए कह रहा है कि वो सिर्फ आधे घंटे के लिए, वॉर के बाद वो सिर्फ आधे घंटे के लिए ज़िंदा रहना चाहता है. क्यों ज़िंदा रहना चाहता है? बिकॉज़ he wanted to so that he wanted to be able to tell the world about what had happened in Nazi Germany. सिर्फ उसको आधा घंटा इस वॉर के बाद मिल जाए जिंदा रहने के लिए, जिसमें वो अपनी जितनी भी फीलिंग्स हैं, जितने भी डिफ़िकल्टीज दे फेस ड्यूरिंग नाजी ऑपरेशंस, वो लोगों को बता सके. एंड इट इज़ वन ऑफ द करेजियस स्पिरिट ऑफ दैट person to bear witness and to preserve the documents. ये उनका एक बहुत करेजियस एफर्ट्स था कि मीन्स फेसिंग लॉट ऑफ डिफ़िकल्टीज स्टिल दे वर एबल टू रिकॉर्ड ऑल दोज थिंग्स विच दे हैव सीन or faced during their operations against them. Witness and to preserve the documents can be seen in many ghettos and camps. Inhabitants who wrote diaries, and there are many ghettos peoples, those who were living in those areas, ghettos or concentration camps. Secretly they were writing their own diaries, keeping notes and created archives. Even उनमें से बहुत से लोगों ने अपनी डायरीज मेंटेन की हुई थी, कुछ नोट्स उन्होंने बनाए हुए थे, की पॉइंट्स एंड